Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. We are Paula Gomez
and Valeria Pulido.
and we are going to talk about the activity 3 of human body care.
First of all, we have the gastrointestinal tract. We begin with the mouth, that is the beginning of the digestive tract, and in fact, digestion starts where taking the first bite of food.
Then the esophagus, located in your throat near your trachea.
Then we have the stomach, that is a hollow organ or container that holds the food while it's being mixed with enzymes that continue the process of breaking down food into a usable form.
Next, we have the small intestine, breaks down food using enzymes released by the pancreas and bile from the liver.
Then we have the pancreas that secretes digestive enzymes into duodenum, the first segment of the small intestine.
Next, the liver. The liver has multiple functions, but its main function within the digestive system is to process the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine.
Then the gallbladder that stores and concentrates bile.
The colon is a 6-foot-long muscular tube that connects the small intestine to the rectum.
Then the rectum, that is the connect of the colon to the anus. Finally, we have the anus, that is the last part of the digestive tract. The lining of the upper anus is specialized to detect rectal content. Next, we have the accessory organs, that we have the salivary glands that has a cleansing action on the teeth.
Then the liver, that has the function of secretion, storage, and detoxification.
Then we have the gallbladder, that is a pear-shaped sac that is attached to the visceral surface of the liver by the cystic duct.
Then the pancreas, that has both endocrine and exocrine functions. Another topic that we will see on this video are the enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that have catalytic functions indispensable to maintenance and activity of life.
All chemical reactions occurring in a living organism are dependent on the catalytic actions of the enzymes, and this is why the enzymes are called biotransformation.
There are some enzymes involved in the chemical digestion. Some of them are carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins.
Then we have to describe the absorption of the monomers of digestion, including glucose, amino acids, and glycerol and fatty acids or lipids. The monomers are small molecules, mostly gas, that can join with other similar molecules to form very large molecules. They have the functions of short-term energy supply, store energy, structural support, carry inherited information.
Another important part of this activity are the vitamins. The vitamin is any group of organic compounds that are essential for normal growth and nutrition and are required in small quantities in the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. We found very important also the minerals, that are any class of substance occurring in nature, usually consisting in organic substance as quartz or feldspar, of defined chemical composition and usually of definite crystal structure.
Then we have the function of the vitamins. The vitamin A has the function of healthy skin, teeth, skeletal, and soft tissue. For the vitamin B, we have that the body uses energy, nutrients such as carbohydrates, fat, and protein for fuel. Vitamin C is needed for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. Vitamin D helps the body to absorb calcium. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects body tissue from damage caused by substances called free radicals. Vitamin K is known as the clothing vitamin because without it blood will not flow. For the function of each mineral, we have the sodium that needed to proper food balance, the chloride that need to proper food balance the stomach acid, the potassium needed to proper food balance nerve transmission and muscle contraction, the calcium important for healthy bones and teeth, the phosphorus important for healthy bones, teeth, and cells. Magnesium found in bones needed for making protein, muscle contraction, nerve transmission, immune system health. The sulfur that it can found in protein molecules.
Finally, I'm going to describe the path that your breakfast follows from the beginning to the end of the process of digestion. First, we have your teeth perform mechanical digestion. Then, the salivary glands secrete saliva to start chemical digestion. Next, the food travels down the pharynx into the esophagus. Next, the esophagus pushes food down. Next, the stomach secretes gastric juices and chemically digests food. Then, the liver secretes bile to help fat digestion. The small intestine completes digestion. Then the large intestine absorbs water, salt, and some vitamins. And finally, the rectum stores feces until it leaves the body to the anus.